Got a little something in the mail today from everybody's favorite vendor, Amazon. I'm pretty sure I know what this is, so I'm going to go ahead and give it an open. Yep, it's exactly what I thought it was. So everybody's heard about these helical cutters. This is a full helical cutter head for a planer. I have the DeWalt 735, really well built, small caliber planer, 13 inches wide. Basically it's a job site planer or a small shop planer. Certainly can't compete with a full floor standing model and the lack of vibrations from something that heavy. But in that caliber of planer, it is by far, in my opinion, the very best, most solid workhorse tank of a planer there is. The one and only thing that DeWalt got wrong with that planer is the cutting head. It's got a 3-knife straight cutting head. Works great if you're planing your average boards. Unfortunately, as a woodworker and someone who does artistic woodworking, I like to work with a lot of figured woods, and when you work with figured woods, a straight blade planer has a tendency to tear out where you get highly figured grains or changing direction grains. Walnuts, maples are really tough about that. So I was looking to better the planer, to upgrade it. So I'm going to be doing a full upgrade video with this, so you can watch for that coming in the next week or so. I will do a step-by-step all the way through walkthrough of installing this byrdtools Helix cutter head and removing the original cutter head. Prior to doing it, I will do some videos with the sound levels of the planer as it is now, and I want to do a comparison. I've heard a lot of talk that this not only makes a huge difference for how smoothly the wood is cut and how cleanly figured woods are cut, but it also makes a huge difference to the sound of the planer. So I'll do some prior to the upgrade videos where I'll get some decibel level captures on how loud the planer is, and then I'll do some more of that after this is installed. But keep an eye out for my video coming in the next week or so for an upgrade. Now this video will be listed in my tool repair playlist, and the reason I'm going to put that in my tool repair playlist is because I don't think this is an upgrade. I think this is a repair to a design mistake. I really think DeWalt should be putting a good helical cutter head in their planer at this point. I think everyone should be, in planers and jointers. The straight blade planing is just an old idea at this point. These are well proven. They've been around quite a while now. They do an amazing job. There's a lot of companies that make them. byrdtools is probably the premier company for replacement heads. So that was why I wanted to go with this one. It's got a lot of history and a lot of good reviews, and almost no one ever complains about this cutter head. So this is the one I went with. So keep an eye out for that upgrade video, upgrade/repair video, and thanks for watching.